Welcome to my channel, the BRIOWIN, the future of products. What's up guys, welcome to my channel, the BRIOWIN. So in this video we are introducing the top 5 best blenders in 2023. Watch this video till the end so you don't miss anything. Links of these products are in the description below, so let's get started the video. Number 5. Breville, the 3X Bluicer. The Breville, the 3X Bluicer boasts a sleek and modern design. Typical of Breville appliances, it's not overly bulky, making it suitable for most kitchen countertops. The stainless steel finish adds a premium touch. Setting up the Bluicer is straightforward. It comes with clear instructions, and most components are easy to assemble and disassemble for cleaning. The standout feature of the Breville 3X Bluicer is its dual-purpose functionality. It's both a juicer and a blender, allowing you to make juices, smoothies, and even combine the two. This versatility can save you space and money compared to owning separate appliances. It also comes with different speed settings and a large capacity pulp container. When it comes to juicing, the Bluicer performs admirably. It can handle a wide range of fruits and vegetables, extracting juice efficiently. The different speed settings allow you to optimize the juicing process for various ingredients. As a blender, it's powerful enough to blend frozen fruits, ice, and other tough ingredients, producing silky smooth smoothies and shakes. The ability to blend and juice in the same machine is a game changer. You can create unique concoctions by combining fresh juice with blended fruits, making it perfect for experimenting with new recipes. Number 4. Vitamix A3500. The Vitamix A3500 boasts a modern and minimalist design that will complement any kitchen aesthetic. It features a brushed stainless steel base and a clear, intuitive touchscreen control panel. The touchscreen interface is user-friendly and offers various preset programs and manual controls. The A3500 allows you to adjust the blending speed to your preference. From gentle stirring to high-speed blending, it comes with 5 preset programs: smoothie, hot soup, frozen desserts, dips and spreads, and self-cleaning that make blending specific recipes a breeze. This blender can connect to your smartphone via the Vitamix Perfect Blend app, offering access to additional recipes and blending tips. Cleaning the A3500 is a breeze. Add some warm water and a drop of dish soap, then select the self-cleaning program. The A3500 is a powerhouse when it comes to performance. Its 2.2 peak horsepower motor can effortlessly handle tough ingredients like frozen fruits, nuts, and ice. Whether you're making smoothies, soups, or nut butter, the A3500 delivers outstanding results. The Vitamix A3500 is undeniably a premium blender with a price tag to match. If you're looking for a high-quality blender that can handle a wide range of tasks and appreciate the latest technology in your kitchen appliances, the A3500 is an excellent choice. Number 3. Blendtec Total Blender Classic. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Professional 1800 Watts Blender. The Hamilton Beach Professional 1800 Watt Blender is a powerful kitchen appliance designed to simplify your blending needs. The blender features a sleek and modern design with a sturdy base and a 64-ounce BPA-free Tritan jar. Its overall design is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, making it a great addition to any kitchen. The blender is equipped with a robust 1800-watt motor, capable of blending a wide range of ingredients, including ice, fruits, vegetables, and more. It excelled at crushing ice, creating velvety smoothies, and blending tough ingredients. The powerful motor and well-designed blades ensure that even the most challenging tasks are handled with ease. It is relatively quiet for a blender of its power, making it suitable for use in a busy kitchen without causing too much disturbance. The blender is built with durable materials, including a heavy-duty base and a strong jar. It feels like a long-lasting appliance that can withstand regular use. Cleaning the blender is straightforward. The jar is dishwasher safe, and the blades can be easily removed for thorough cleaning if you're in need of a high-quality, powerful blender for regular use. The Hamilton Beach Professional 1800W blender is a solid choice worth considering. Number 1. Breville the Super Q Blender. The Breville the Super Q Blender, modern design that will complement any kitchen decor. It features a sturdy die-cast metal base and a large, clear BPA-free tri-tin jug with a 68-ounce capacity. The blender comes with a tight sealing lid and a tamper for thick mixtures. The illuminated one-touch control panel offers a variety of blending options, including smoothie, green smoothie, ice crush, frozen dessert, soup, and pulse functions. One standout feature is the 1800-watt motor that powers this blender, making it incredibly powerful. The 1800-watt motor generates immense power, allowing it to effortlessly blend even the toughest ingredients. Whether you're making smoothies, soups, or nut butter, this blender can handle it with ease. It effortlessly crushed ice, blended frozen fruits into creamy smoothies, and pureed soups to silky perfection. The noise reduction technology lived up to its promise, making those who are health conscious and want to preserve the nutritional value of their blends. Thanks for watching the video. The links to the products mentioned in the video are available in the description below.
Don't forget to subscribe the channel, like the video and press the bell icon.